Welcome to our countdown of the 20 animals with the weirdest and most unusual sounds. From the depths of the rainforest to the heart of the savannah, the natural world is alive with a symphony of sound. But some creatures possess vocal abilities that are truly extraordinary, producing noises that seem almost alien to our ears. Over the next few minutes, we'll embark on an auditory adventure, exploring the bizarre and wonderful world of animal communication. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible diversity of nature's soundscape as we encounter creatures that chirp, croak, boom, and bellow in ways you never thought possible. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be astonished by the sheer ingenuity and strangeness of the natural world. Deep in the eucalyptus forests of Australia, we encounter a creature of remarkable vocal talent, the superb lyrebird. This unassuming bird possesses an extraordinary ability to mimic sounds from its environment, creating a complex and ever-changing chorus. The lyrebird's vocal repertoire is seemingly endless, encompassing the calls of other birds, the clicks of camera shutters, and even the roar of chainsaws. These sounds are not merely imitations, but elaborate compositions woven together to create a mesmerizing auditory tapestry. The male lyrebird uses his vocal prowess to attract a mate, performing elaborate courtship displays on specially constructed mounds. His songs are a testament to the power of mimicry and the sheer diversity of sounds found in the natural world. Journeying deep into the rainforests of Central and South America, we encounter the booming call of the howler monkey. Their name is no exaggeration, for these primates possess a vocal power that belies their size. The howler monkey's roar is produced by an enlarged hyoid bone in their throat, which acts as a resonating chamber, amplifying their calls to extraordinary levels. These calls can travel for miles through the dense rainforest, serving as a means of communication between distant groups. This dawn chorus is a potent reminder of the power of sound in the animal kingdom, and the lengths to which creatures will go to make themselves heard. Our journey takes us now to the remote islands of New Zealand, home to a most peculiar parrot, the kakapo. This flightless nocturnal bird is critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals remaining. But during the breeding season, the male kakapo makes his presence known with a sound that is as unusual as it is powerful, a low-frequency boom that can be heard for kilometers across the forest floor. These booms are produced by inflating a thoracic sac, creating a resonating chamber that amplifies the sound. The kakapo's call is a poignant reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Venturing into the wetlands of North America, we encounter a bird whose call is as peculiar as its appearance. The American bittern. This master of camouflage blends seamlessly into its surroundings, making it a challenge to spot. But the bittern's presence is given away by its distinctive call, a low-pitched, rhythmic pumping sound that echoes across the marshes. This unusual vocalization is produced by the bird rapidly compressing and expanding its esophagus, forcing air in and out. The resulting sound is often compared to a malfunctioning water pump, and it's used by males to attract mates and defend their territories. In the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia, we encounter a creature whose calls exist at the very edge of our hearing, the tarsier. These tiny primates with their enormous eyes are masters of stealth and agility. But while their movements may be silent, their communication is anything but. Tarsiers emit a series of high-pitched clicks and whistles, many of which are ultrasonic, meaning they are too high for humans to hear. These calls are used for a variety of purposes, including social interaction, territorial defense, and even echolocation, helping them navigate their surroundings in the darkness. As dusk settles over ponds and wetlands across North America, a familiar sound fills the air, the deep, resonant croak of the bullfrog. These amphibians are renowned for their powerful voices, which are produced by inflating their vocal sacs, creating a resonating chamber that amplifies their calls. The bullfrog's croak serves a variety of purposes, from attracting mates to defending territories. When multiple males gather in a chorus, the resulting cacophony can be deafening, a testament to the power of sound in the amphibian world. Their croaking is a quintessential sound of summer evenings, a reminder of the hidden world of creatures that come alive after dark. On the vast savannas of Africa, we encounter a creature known for its incredible speed, the cheetah. But unlike its larger feline relatives, such as lions and tigers, the cheetah doesn't roar. Instead, it communicates with a variety of chirps, purrs, and even a bird-like chirp. This unusual vocalization is thought to be related to the cheetah's specialized respiratory system, which is adapted for short bursts of intense speed. While they may not roar, cheetahs compensate with a range of other vocalizations, proving that even the fastest animals need to communicate. Moving across the savannas and forests of Africa and Asia, we encounter the largest land animals on Earth, elephants. These majestic creatures communicate using a variety of sounds, but perhaps the most impressive is their infrasonic rumble. These low-frequency calls are below the range of human hearing, but they can travel for miles through the ground and air. Elephants use these rumbles to communicate over long distances, maintaining contact with family groups and even signaling danger. Their rumbles are a reminder that there's more to the world than meets the eye, and that even the most massive creatures can communicate with surprising subtlety. High in the eucalyptus forests of Australia, we encounter a creature known for its cuddly appearance, the koala. But don't let their teddy bear looks fool you, for these marsupials possess a surprisingly powerful voice. During the breeding season, male koalas emit a series of loud, guttural bellows that seem entirely out of proportion to their size. These bellows are used to attract mates and intimidate rivals, and they can carry for considerable distances through the forest. The koala's bellow is a reminder that appearances can be deceiving, and that even the cuddliest of creatures can possess surprising vocal abilities. Venturing onto the grasslands of South America, we encounter a creature with a most unusual call, the maned wolf. This long-legged canid is neither a wolf nor a fox, but a unique species with a distinctive vocalization. The maned wolf's call is a haunting combination of a roar and a bark, a sound that sends chills down the spine. This eerie vocalization is used to communicate with other individuals, especially during mating season. Their roar bark is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the unique adaptations that animals have evolved to survive in their environments. In forests and gardens across Asia, we encounter a bird known for its extravagant plumage, the peacock. But the peacock's beauty is not limited to its appearance, for this bird also possesses a surprisingly loud and piercing call. The peacock's call is a harsh, repetitive mayor sound, often described as a shriek or a scream. It's used by males to attract females and advertise their presence to rivals. While not the most melodious of sounds, the peacock's call is an effective means of communication, ensuring that its message is heard far and wide. Travelling to the island of Tasmania, we encounter a creature known for its ferocious nature, the Tasmanian devil. This carnivorous marsupial is the largest of its kind, and it possesses a vocal repertoire to match. Tasmanian devils produce a range of eerie sounds, from high-pitched screeches to guttural growls. These sounds are used in a variety of contexts, including communication, defense, and feeding. Their screeches and growls are a reminder that even in the most remote corners of the world, life finds a way to make itself heard. Returning to mainland Australia, we encounter a creature that's as enigmatic as it is adorable, the wombat. These burrowing marsupials are known for their powerful claws and their ability to create elaborate underground homes. But while they may spend much of their lives underground, wombats are not silent creatures. They communicate with each other using a variety of grunts, hisses, and even coughs. These sounds are used to maintain contact with other wombats, defend their territories, and attract mates. Their grunts and hisses are a reminder that even the most unlikely of creatures can have complex social lives. On pristine lakes across North America, we encounter a bird whose call is synonymous with wilderness, the common loon. This striking black and white bird is a powerful swimmer and diver, perfectly adapted to life on the water. But it's the loon's haunting call that truly captures the imagination. Their calls are a series of wails, yodels, and tremolos, echoing across the water and through the forests. These calls are used for a variety of purposes, from maintaining contact with mates to defending territories. The loon's call is a reminder of the beauty and tranquility of nature, a sound that evokes a sense of peace and solitude. Venturing into forests and fields across the northern hemisphere, we encounter a creature known for its cunning and adaptability, the red fox. This opportunistic canid is found in a wide range of habitats, from urban areas to remote wilderness. While often associated with a barking sound, the red fox is capable of a much wider range of vocalizations, including a blood-curdling scream. This scream is most often heard during mating season, when males and females are establishing territories and seeking mates. Their scream is a reminder that even familiar creatures can have hidden depths, and that the natural world is full of surprises. On the savannas of Africa, we encounter a creature known for its distinctive vocalizations, the hyena. Often misunderstood and maligned, hyenas are highly intelligent social animals with a complex communication system. One of the most well-known hyena sounds is their laughter, a series of high-pitched giggles and whoops. This laughter is often associated with feeding, particularly when a group of hyenas has made a kill. Their laughter is a reminder that communication in the animal kingdom can be both complex and surprising, and that there's often more to a sound than meets the ear. Diving into the icy waters of the Arctic and subarctic, we encounter a creature known for its incredible vocal abilities, the beluga whale. These toothed whales are highly social animals, and they communicate with each other using a wide range of clicks, whistles, and calls. Belugas are sometimes called the canaries of the sea because of their wide vocal repertoire. They use their sounds for a variety of purposes, including navigation, finding food, and social interaction. Their songs are a reminder that the ocean depths are alive with sound, and that even in the coldest and most remote environments, creatures find ways to communicate. High in the rainforest canopy of Central and South America, we encounter a primate known for its intelligence and adaptability, the capuchin monkey. These monkeys are highly social animals, living in groups of up to 40 individuals. Capuchin monkeys have a complex communication system that includes a variety of calls, whistles, screams, and trills. These sounds are used to communicate a wide range of information, from the location of food to the presence of predators. Their chorus of calls is a reminder that the rainforest is a symphony of sound, and that every creature plays a part in this intricate orchestra. In forests across North and South America, we encounter a bird whose call is both familiar and awe-inspiring, the great horned owl. This powerful predator is instantly recognizable by its ear tufts and its piercing yellow eyes. The great horned owl's call is a deep, resonant hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo, often described as the quintessential owl sound. These hoots are used for a variety of purposes, including attracting a mate, defending territory, and communicating with owlets. Their hoots are a reminder that even in the darkest of nights, the forest is alive with sound, and that every call tells a story. In the forests of North America, we encounter a bird with a most unusual way of making itself heard, the ruffed grouse. This ground-dwelling bird is known for its drumming display, a rhythmic sound produced by the male during the breeding season. The ruffed grouse creates its drumming sound by beating its wings rapidly against the air, creating a low-frequency thump that can be heard for considerable distances. This drumming serves to attract females and announce the male's presence to rivals. Their drumming is a reminder that the natural world is full of unexpected sounds, and that even the simplest of actions can produce extraordinary results. Thanks for joining us on this auditory adventure. We've journeyed across continents and plunged into the depths of the ocean, encountering creatures with the weirdest and most wonderful sounds. From the mimicry of the lyrebird to the infrasonic rumbles of the elephant, the natural world is a symphony of sound, a testament to the diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. These incredible vocalizations remind us of the importance of listening, of paying attention to the world around us, and of appreciating the often overlooked wonders of the natural world.